Hello everyone, Miss Rita here and welcome to my channel. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Children, today I am going to explain you chapter number 1, linear equation in two variables. In this lesson we are going to discuss about the method of solving linear equation in two variables. Already you have learned about the linear equations in standard 9th. So here we are going to learn about the linear equation in two variable, and in this we are going to learn graphical method and Cramer's method. Children, equation that can be transformed in linear equation in two variables are we are going to study in this chapter, and we are going to study about the application of simultaneously equation. Now let's start. What is linear equation in two variable? It means an equation which contains two variables and the degree of each term contained variable is 1 is called linear equation in two variables. In the lower class you have learned about the linear equation. The linear equation in two variables, student, there are two variables we are using. Variable means we are using the letter alphabets, and the degree of alphabets means variable is 1, then we can say the equation is linear equation in two variable. Now ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the general form of a linear equation in two variable. Here a, b, c are real number and a, b, c are not equal to 0 at the same time. It means x and y is the variable, a, b, c is the real number, any number, but it will not equal to 0. For example, 4x plus 7y equal to 3. You can take any number which are given in the variable have a degree 1. Now children, let's start the practice set number 1.1. As per the reduction part in 2020 and 21, question number 1 is omitted, and question number 2, from that 1 to 6 is omitted. It means question number 1 is omitted. From the question number 2, 1 to 6 questions are omitted. So here we are going to solve 7th and 8th. If any reduction will come, changes will come in the exercise, we'll upload the video for you. Now, question number 7 is given. Solve 99x plus 101y equal to 499. 101x plus 99y equal to 501. Student, here the first equation is given 99x plus 101 equal to 499, and second equation is given 101x plus 99y equal to 501. So here we can do the same numbers are given 99x and 101y. In the second equation 101x and 99y. So here we will do the addition of equation 1 and 2. We'll add what we got the answer, 200x plus 200y equal to 1000. So this equation can be divided by 200. So dividing by both the side by 200, here we get x plus y equal to 5. 1000 divided by 200 will come 5. So here we form the equation number 3. Same way we can do subtraction of equation 2 from equation 1. So here when we do subtraction, the symbol will be changed, the plus become minus. Okay, from 101x minus 99x we get 2x, and here from 99 minus 101y we get 2y, but 101y is greater, so here 101y have the sign of minus. So here minus 2y equal to 501 minus 499 we get 2. So here 501 is greater, so here sign of 501 is positive. So 2x minus 2y equal to 2. This equation can be divided by 2. Dividing both the side by 2, here we get x minus y equal to 1. That is equation number 4. So here we got equation number 3, x plus y equal to 5. And equation number 4, x minus y equal to 1. So adding the equation 3 and equation 4, we get y will cut plus 5 minus y will deduct, and 2x equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. Now 2 will go to the right side, become divide. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. So x value came 3. Now we'll substitute the x equal to 3 in the equation number 3. What is equation number 3? We have x plus y equal to 5. We'll substitute the value of x 3 plus y equal to 5. Now 3 will go to the right side, become minus. Y equal to 5 minus 3, here we get 2. Therefore y equal to 2. So x value 3 and y value is 2. So 3 and 2 is the solution of the equation. Understood? Now next sum is given. Question number 8. Solve 49x minus 57y equal to 172. The equation number 1. 57x minus 49y equal to 252 is the equation number 2. Again adding the equation 1 and 2, we get, so what we get, 106x minus 106y equal to 424. So dividing both the side by 106. So what we get, x minus y equal to 4. Now subtracting the equation 2 from first. If we are subtracting, then symbol will change. So minus become plus and plus become minus. 57 minus 49 we get 8x. 49 minus 57 we get 8y. But here 57 is greater and 57 sign came what? Positive. Equal to 252 minus 172 we get 80. Now dividing both the side by 8, we get x plus y equal to 10. That is our equation number 4. Now adding the equation 3rd and 4th, we get 2x equal to 14. Now 2 will go to the right side, become divide. X equal to become 7. Now we will substitute the x equal to 7 in equation number 4. What is equation number 4? We have x plus y equal to 10. So in the place of x, we will take 7 plus y equal to 10. 7 will go to the right side, become minus. 10 minus 7, we get 3. Therefore, 7 and 3 is the solution of the equation. I hope you have understood. And thank you for watching this video.